Welcome class. Today we are going to see experiment number 10, that is mode of heat transfer of standard 7, that is try this textbook on page number 59 and 60. We have already studied. Now what to write, how to write in this journal. So I am taking this practical to study the mode of heat transfer. Conduction, you have already studied it, that is bar of uh, stainless steel, aluminum and copper, a candle, a burner, pin, etc. Process. Take a stainless steel or iron, copper and aluminum bar, each about 30 cm long and have the same shape. Apply wax spot with the help of candle at the distance of 2 cm from each other on all the three bars. Stick a pin in each of these spots so that it is upright. Now insert the end of all the three bars into a frame at the same time. Observe for a while. See, you have here a pots of wax is given where pins, metal pin are there. Here it is burner and tripod stand. So you have all these three rod. It is heating using a burner. Now observation. Complete the sentence. Pin from the copper bar fall first. Pin fall starting from the end of the burner. It means that transfer of heat take place from the hot end of the bar to the cool end, which you have already learned. Now answer the following question. Pins from which metal bar start falling first? Why? Copper bar. From which bar? Copper bar. Because heat transfer takes place quickly in the copper bar and it is good conductor of heat. Select appropriate answer and fill in the blanks. Transfer of heat from the hot part of an object to the cool part is called conduction of heat. It is called conduction. Conduction of heat takes place through the solid substances. Dash is required for the conduction of heat. Medium, not temperature, it is medium. Some medium should be there, so then only it will take. Conduction of heat means this transfer of heat from hot part of an object to the cool part is called the conduction of heat. Conduction of heat through a substance depend upon the property of substances. Now we will see the next, that is convection. A beaker, tripod stand, wire, gauge, potential permanent crystal, a burner, water, etc. It is given here. Take some water in the beaker. Heat the burner slowly on the gas burner. Heat a beaker slowly on the gas burner. Drop a few crystal of potassium permanganate into the water. Now wash the water in the beaker carefully. What do you see? Now observation. Steam of the boiling water going upward and coming back to the bottom are seen. These magenta color circulate patterns are clearly seen due to the crystal of potassium permanganate into the water. See in the diagram, it is given here the crystal of potassium permanganate where it is a burner. What happens when the water is heated in the flask? When beginning the water here the bottom becomes warm and its density decreases. As a result it moves upwards and it is replaced by the cool water coming from the above. So from that what we will see that heat is transferred by the means of current. This process is called as convectional current, convection of heat. Now see that convection takes place in the liquid, gas and the gaseous substance. Now radiation, that is see candle, matchbox, which you have already seen in our science textbook. Light a candle and stand it upright. Hold your hand on it two sides at some distance from the candle. Bring them close. What do you feel? Observation. Hands become warm. Why? Due to the transfer of heat. That is, heat is transferred by which medium? Through the radiation. transfer of heat that takes place without medium is called the radiation. Solar heat is received by Earth due to the radiation. So there is no medium present in this. In this way, we have completed the practical, that is practical number 10. Hope so you write practical number 9 and 10 in your journal. Thank you.